What if you could enjoy luxury waterfront living just over a mile from Clemson University? Welcome to Campden Sound, one of the most exclusive communities on Lake Hartwell. Just about 1 mile from downtown Clemson, Campden Sound features only 12 luxury residences, creating a private boutique waterfront setting. 8 spacious 2-level homes and 4 3-level designs offer upscale finishes with beautiful deep water views. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence, a weekend getaway, or a perfect game day retreat, Campden Sound delivers lakefront living with quick access to campus, restaurants, and shopping. If you're after luxury, privacy, and one of the best waterfront locations in the Clemson area, Campden Sound deserves a closer look. I'm Frank Julian with Berkshire Hathaway-Home Services, Sedan Joiner. If you'd like to learn more about Campden Sound or any neighborhood in the Clemson area, give me a call. And if there's another community you'd like to feature, drop it in the comments. I'll see you in the next neighborhood.